So we all know Qualcomm as the manufacturer of arguably the best 700 chipsets. They have their flagship 800 series and mid-range 700 series, and almost every company uses their chips inside their phones. But in 2021, that is going to change. So as we talk about how the Samsung's new mid-range chipset, which is the Exynos 1080, and highlighted the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus and Apple's latest A14 Bionic chip inside the new iPhones in the benchmark leagues, not only in CPU but also in GPU. I made an in-depth video about it. Link is in the description down below and here in the iCard. Definitely check it out. So reports claim that Chinese manufacturers like Vivo, Oppo, Xiaomi, Meizu, etc. are planning on using Exynos chipsets in their phones instead of Snapdragon by 2021, with Vivo being the first one to use Exynos 1080 in their Vivo X60 flagship phone. Why, you may ask? Well, A, the new Exynos chipsets are much faster and reliable, and B, they are much cheaper than Snapdragon chips, which makes Exynos a perfect chipset. It means that we could get flagship performance at a relatively low price, which is incredible. Exynos 851, 1080 and 2100 are going to launch pretty soon. As a matter of fact, the Exynos 1080 is going to launch on 12th November, which is in a few days from now. As of the Exynos 2100, which is going to be an absolute monster of a chipset, is going to be only inside the upcoming Galaxy S21, and it is highly unlikely that Samsung sells the chip to other companies because they want to reserve something for themselves, and because Samsung also bought AMD and it would be using AMD based GPU inside their phones from 2022, it would become insanely powerful and it is only gonna get better. Samsung learned its mistake from Exynos 990 and it doesn't seem like they're gonna repeat it again. The point being that Samsung is on its way to become the biggest semiconductor company and it is planning on taking the throne from Apple and Qualcomm. So let's see what happens. Either way, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff. Drop a like if you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next vid.